hi viewers. Thank you for watching Ravi's Eye View. I sincerely appreciate your time. If you like my videos, like them, share them, and subscribe to my channel. Section of the media, specifically electronic media, in the past couple of days were reporting something what Rahul Gandhi spoke. It's amazingly, hilarious. That was the intention of the most of the electronic media in this country. They want to create only sensational music. But before I go there, what Rahul Gandhi spoke, but I wanted to narrate a small background to this entire clipping or whatever I am recording today. See, India, specifically the Congress party, which was in power almost to the tune of about 7 decades, they are the one who actually built the modern India post-independence. While I'm saying this with the proud fact that there were very many leaders in those regime. They have built the modern India. We can take the classic example of the late Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao and the brain behind who actually built the modern India and supported by Dr. Manmohan Singh. We still have a lot of stalwarts in Congress, those who can become a think tank and those who can actually be a credible opposition to the current ruling party. If you look at the history of any country anywhere in the world, as long as there is a credible opposition to any ruling party, the policies pertaining to the country or development of the nation or anything which need to be done in favor of the people of the particular nation, they were all framed in consultation and in discussion with the opposition party in a democratic manner. But to my surprise, Sri Rahul Gandhi seems to be not realizing that he has a potentiality to become a credible opposition. For example, he was narrating the statement made by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaram and the Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi that the country's GDP is growing. Now, Sri Rahul Gandhi, when he was addressing the press, he narrated, "I've been wondering when these Prime Minister and the Finance Minister, when they said the GDP is growing, I kept on wondering where is it growing. Then I realized GDP means gas, diesel and petrol." I was shocked. Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, you are the opposition leader for the ruling party in this country. Such kind of a press conferences, such kind of a media coverage might sound a little entertaining or rather more entertaining to the viewers rather than building anything credibly or building any sort of a credibility in and around being an opposition leader. Congress is an age-old party. The reins of the Congress is in your hands. Public is watching every move, every statement which you make in any of the forums, be it electronic or in the press. My humble request to the Congress party and its leadership, we still have very many think tanks available in the country. Those who are part of your party, if you can build a consensus to form a constructive opposition party in terms of helping the ruling government to do something fruitful and analyze each and every decision which is taken by the ruling government, whether it is in favor of the country or not in favor of the country, without being or without the need to create a sensational news talking GDP as gas, diesel and petrol is quite demeaning. The world is watching us. We are the single largest democratic country in the world and the only country which has a potentiality to grow and assure economical growth not only to the Indians and to the entire world at large. With this, I request Rahul Gandhi and the Congress leaders to start playing a very constructive role in building this country as opposition party. Thank you for watching Ravi's Eye View. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.